Just start by introducing yourself, your name, and then talk about whatever you want to talk. Then I'll ask you a few questions.
Okay.
It's up to you. It's your day. It's your moment. And you are who?
My name is Marilyn. I'm an RN, and this is my first actual session of pranic healing.
Your first session?
Yeah, the first time I've ever really actually had that kind of intense cleaning by myself and by someone else. Yeah.
So had you heard about the pranic healing before you came here today?
Yes.
So you were a little familiar with it?
Well, I had done a little introductory explanatory session. So I'd only done the pressing of the palms with the feeling of the energy between them. That was it.
Okay.
So this was quite different. More extensive, of course.
Nice, nice.
Lots of good ideas about how to release yourself from your own negative energy and others' negative energy.
I think we all have it. I was listening to one of the ladies that I can't remember her name, and she was saying that it seemed like this it hit her directly, and that's the way I feel. A lot of things that was said here today, it applies directly to me, where I came from, and that is the truth.
Yeah.
So you feel any different now from when you first came this morning?
I hope I don't fall asleep in the car on the way home.
So you feel that relaxed?
I feel really relaxed.
And that's wonderful. That's a wonderful feeling. Yeah. Okay.
And encouraged, because I think there's all these great tools to apply for when something is bothering you, when you're stuck in an emotionally difficult situation,
and don't know how to get out.
Right, and how to be released from the other person and from yourself, while still sending good intentions their way and your way. So I think that's what I really
And that's
like.
important.
It's important.
So that you have like an aha moment, something that you found interesting, or something that you didn't know, or was there a moment that just grabbed you, or was it just the whole teaching in general that you?
I'm trying to think here. Let me think here for a second. I think it was just the whole thing.
The whole thing overall.
Especially the exercises and this recipe that you can have to take care of yourself.
You didn't come to exercise, did you? You look like you're fit, in shape.
I came to do emotional cleansing exercises.
Great. My daughter's an RN. And I was a licensed psychiatric technician for years.
Oh, yeah.
That's how I met my wife.
Oh, I see.
So we're all in the middle of it. We're all people of service. Okay, so are you ready to apply what you learned to your everyday life?
Yeah, I'm hoping to incorporate those exercises every morning. I want to do that and then try to do the Twin Hearts meditation, which I'd been introduced to once before. So I started that a little bit the last time after this introductory moment where they showed us that. So I plan to do that. So I plan to do the exercises and the meditations.
Do you think pranic healing is something that, like Kaiser or the medical field, will eventually embrace in the future and start acknowledging the benefits of pranic healing?
I think I think all these things take time.
Definitely.
And I think that what would be helpful is if you had a practitioner who could do it, and then you could have patients talk about it. So
Definitely.
I think that would make it.
Yeah. And nobody's trying to rule out modern medicine.
No.
You just apply it along with it, because there are other alternatives.
Exactly. If it was served along with the Western medicine, I think that would be great.
Great. So, would you tell anybody else about your experience today?
Sure. I plan to tell other people about it today.
Well, I want to thank you for spending the time with me and talking to me.
I want to thank you for asking me to do so.
All right, and I'll shake your hand on the record.